So she's all finished and ready to go home. So these lowers are water cooled. So we ended up going with the Metro water cooled lowers. So we have the Hertz Neos in the lowers, Hertz Neos in the tour pack pods. And then to get a little mid bass in the front, we went with the Ground Zero Yellow Basket coax. The radio's flash, CarPlay and Android Auto activated. We flashed EQ flat, and she sounds great. It's night and day difference from the way it came in. We went ahead and replaced the grills because they glued the factory grills. So we have a nice factory look. She looks clean, and she sounds great.
Now this one goes out to my baby. Just wants you to come home.